star Sydney loves to design doll clothes, so today we invited her really good friend Presley over to show you guys how it's done. You guys ready? Yeah! I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best. All you need is an old dress shirt. Sorry, babe.
Velcro and a hot glue gun.
For all of us who don't know how to sew. First, we're gonna have the girls pick out their designs.
I want to do this one in pink.
Oh, good choice.
I want to do that one.
Okay, perfect, baby. All right, so it's time to start cutting and gluing. Now, while I'm doing this, do you guys want to make some doll jewelry?
Yeah!
So Sydney picked this crisscross halter top and skirt design, and we're gonna go ahead and make the skirt first. Measure your doll's waist and cut out a piece of fabric that's about 1 inch longer. Mine is 11 inches and 3 inches high. Then, to make a nice even seam, hot glue about 1/2 inch up from the bottom. Fold it over and do the same thing to the top side. So we have the waistband, and now we're gonna do the pleats underneath. Measure a piece of fabric about 6 inches longer than the waistband and as high as you want the length of the skirt to be. Next, hot glue and fold over about 1 inch from the bottom and the sides. Attach the corners of this piece to the corners in the center of your waistband. To make the pleats, pinch about 1 inch of fabric together in the middle, hot glue it to one side, and then to your waistband. Okay, we've got the skirt. Now it's time for the crisscross halter top. We're gonna cut out 2 matching pieces a couple inches bigger than the waistband, hot glue the top and the bottom, and fold over for cleaner seams. Repeat with the other piece, and we are ready for Velcro. Stick half of it onto one end, and the other half where the 2 ends meet. Repeat this with the other piece of the top and the skirt. All right, let's get some clothes on this girl, and that is it. I'm loving this outfit so much, I think I'm gonna make one for myself now. Okay, so for Presley's doll, we're gonna make this ruffle dress out of the pink shirt. For the body of the dress, I found it's easiest to just cut a large rectangle out of the shirt, measure it around the doll, and cut up the excess. For the ruffles, cut out a piece of fabric that's twice as long as the body of the dress, and start folding your fabric, almost like those paper fans you used to make in school, and secure. Now attach this piece to the bottom of the body, and it's onto the dress straps. Cut out 2 identical pieces, then fold and hot glue them to your or your doll's desired width. Lay these over the doll and hot glue the ends underneath the body of the dress. Trim any excess off the back of the straps, and then place half of your Velcro strips onto the ends, and the other half inside the dress where it meets the straps. Then fasten the entire dress together in the back. For the final touch, let's cut out 2 more pieces for sleeves. Make the ruffles, and finally attach under the straps with some glue. Okay, so now Presley's is done, and I am loving how this came out. I cannot wait to show the girls.
I'm just wearing like a little crisscross thing, but what are you wearing? I love this doll, it's so pretty, and I love her designs on her dress, and I have a little bow in my hair. I just love pink.
All right, guys, now hopefully this inspires you to create some of your own doll clothes at home. What do we say?
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.